Hi guys, and welcome to this Bella Swan makeup look. So first things first, I am taking my Illamasqua skin-based foundation. This is the palest color I own, and honestly it does match my face when I'm not in the sun a lot. So if I honestly were to stay indoors 24/7 and maybe wore sunscreen while I was inside too, I would be extremely pale. So yeah, that's why I have this foundation to help out with those days. But yeah, I don't need to mix it with anything today. And I'm going to take my Pro Conceal HD concealer. It is the lightest concealer that I own as well. Gonna make yourself look like a vampire. You gotta give yourself that really pale, kind of eerie, like no color skin. So yeah, I hardly ever use this concealer just because it dries up really quickly and it is very bright. But for a time like this, it's absolutely perfect. So if you guys are wondering, this is the Bella Swan look in the final movie when she does turn into a vampire. So I'm already a vampire. So this is not your typical Bella Swan makeup look. Honestly, I thought that would be really boring to do because she barely wears any at all. When she turns into a vampire, she looks like amazing, and they kind of go all out with her lashes. Not all out, but you know, for her. So then I'm taking the Revlon translucent powder and the Purr translucent powder. I use the Purr to cover up my oil, and then the Revlon one has sparkles in it. And you know how vampires' skin sparkles, so this is perfect, especially if you're gonna be out cosplaying her or doing this for Halloween, or if you wanna have a vampire party and you kind of wanna stick true to the costume and the sparkling idea. So now I'm just going to be filling in my eyebrows a dark brown. Kristen Stewart has very thin eyebrows in this movie. I don't, guys. You don't want to see me try to cover my brows. It's a nightmare. So yeah, and plus I'm wearing these cool red contacts. I can't remember where they're from, but you can pretty much find red contacts anywhere. I like these because they're prescription, so I could see out of them. Now I am taking some white eyeliner. Her eyes were very bright and open. I really loved the way they did her makeup here. It just emphasized her skin and the hair. It just looked really pretty. Then I'm taking a mauve eyeshadow and kind of giving myself some pretty dark circles. You don't want natural dark circles. Pretty dark circles, however, are a trend these days with the whole e-girl movement. And I don't know. It's just, I've been seeing more and more people do it. And I actually kind of like it. So then I'm taking a gold and bronzy eyeshadow here to place on my lid. If you look closely at her eyes, you can see that she does have some reflective eyeshadow there. It's not very crazy, it's not out there, but it's subtle and pretty and enhances the red in her eyes. And I just love the choices they made for her makeup in the Twilight movies, which I don't know why. I used to be obsessed with Twilight when I was young, and now my obsession is coming back. I don't know. Anyways, I'm taking a brown shimmering shadow. This is also going to enhance, you know, the specks on the gold of your lids. It just looks beautiful. It really brings out the red contacts too. I just love the whole appearance of these two eyeshadows combined. I'm going to place a little bit on my lower lash line, but I don't want to get rid of that purple undertone that's in the dark circles that I created from having to drink blood constantly, right? So just going to continue to blend that out. Also, you guys, I did attempt to upload a shorts video, but it was kind of a fail. So I don't know. I know that a lot of you guys want to see shorter videos. It's just the way of the world these days. But I mean, I don't know. If they're not getting viewed, then I think I'd rather stick to full videos on here. But I do have a TikTok now where I upload tutorials, hair tutorials. So if you guys wanted to follow me on there, it's just the Nicole Jackson. But yeah, so as you saw, I highlighted my inner corners with white eyeshadow, and I'm curling my lashes and placing lots of mascara because her eyelashes are very prominent. Not like really huge lashes, but you could tell they used a really good mascara, maybe individual lashes to give her length. I just love that. So pretty. So you want to make sure that you coat your bottom lashes as well because it just kind of brings out your eyes, makes them very wide-eyed and bright. Yeah, they made Bella like a really pretty vampire. Not that vampires aren't pretty, but you know what I mean. Then I'm going to take some half lashes from Ardell. They're just like the little mini wispy half lashes. They're 3/4 lash, and they look very natural, almost look like they're part of my lashes, which is why I use them, because it looked like they use lashes like that on her or individual lashes. Now I'm taking a cool toned eyeshadow and kind of creating myself a harsh contour to look defined, and I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. She had a very natural lip color. Looks like it was just part of her lips. And then I'm using the Pillow Talk lipstick. And guys, this is my Bella Swan vampire look. I love it. I honestly want to wear this out, guys. I know I'm going to scare people with the red eyes, but I hope you enjoy it. Let me know who you would like to see next. I've done Alice. I've done, I can't think of her name right now, Rosalie. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.